Hello everyone. This is 15th chapter of English Fragrance Class 1. Name of the 15th chapter is Mona and the Sparrows. Mona is very happy. She is going to stay with her grandfather. Because of that, Mona is happy. And uncle, aunt, cousin in Kolkata. They all are living in Kolkata. They start packing. Mona has a small shelf of books. Mona is having a small shelf of book. She begins to arrange all her books. She packs them in a box. She finds a sparrow's nest in a corner of her bookshelf. In the middle of the nest, there are two eggs. How many eggs were there in the nest? Two. The nest is made up of twigs, straw, and dry leaves. Mona loves to watch the mother sparrow as she sits on the eggs. Then the father sparrow brings food for mother sparrow. After a day or two, Mona sees that egg cells are broken. There are two yellow-colored baby sparrows in the nest. Soon they begin to chirp. Chirp is the sound of bird. They hop, dance, chirp all over. They seem to be saying, "What fun, what fun." Mona watches them with love. Now it is time for her to leave for Kolkata, as it is written there that all are living in Kolkata, so Mona is also going there. How can Mona leave the two chicks behind and go to Kolkata? This is the question. What if the cat comes and eats the chicks? Mona tells her parents, "Can we go after a few days?" Mother, she asks from mother, "Please let the chicks grow a little. When chicks will grow, then we will go Kolkata. Let them learn to fly and then we can go." Mona's parents says yes. Mona is very happy. Soon the young chicks learn to fly and chirp. They are chirping all the time, flying here and there. Actually, they are saying thank you, Mona. Because when we help someone, then we get thank you from the person. Now pick the correct word to complete each sentence. Mona is going to stay with her grandparent or friend. What will be the correct option? So she is going to live with her grandparent. What you have to do? You have to tick the correct option. You just tick here. Mona has a big or a small cell phone book. Small. There are two yellow colored baby sparrow. So two you will tick. What does Mona see? 2 and 3 we will do in copy. And think and answer also we will do in copy. Now use of he, she, it and I. See, he, she, it and I are used in place of names of persons or animals. This is Mona. So we can use C for Mona. C is going to Kolkata. Filling the blanks with I, she, it or he. I am Parag. Pavan is a good singer. So you can use he for Pavan. He sings sweetly. This is Mrs. Gupta. She is a housewife. So we have used here C in place of Mrs. Gupta. This is a nest. It is made up of twigs, straw and dry leaves. We can use it for the nest. They. We and they are used for more than one person. You is used for one or more than one person. I am Chotu, the monkey. You are Golu, the elephant. We are best friends. Filling the blanks with we, you, or they. You must come for the party. We don't want this flower. They are sitting in their own garden. Now you can color. So I have ticked here. Whatever I have ticked that box, you can color. I am Suman. So I study in class 1. We can't use C here. My grandparent live with us. So we can use they for grandparent. Love me very much. My father is a doctor. We can use he for my father. Goes to hospital daily. My mother is a teacher. We will use C. Goes to school daily. I have a cat. With cat we can use it is white in color. C or we. So here will be we are happy. We are a happy family. Now work in groups of your 4 children. So I cannot find my book. Look for it in your bag. Look for it on the desk. Look for it under the table. Oh, now I remember. I kept it behind the shelf. So more words are given that you can do practice once you read these all words: socks, shoes, watch, spectacles, cupboard, box, case and purse, pillow, blanket, bench, bed, chair, paper, tree, seat, brush, fence, curtain and wall. So instead of these all red words, we can use these words also. Now these words you have to say loudly: sell, sing, sung, sun, cell, saw, and see. Now listen to the rhyme and write the words that rhyme. Now you can see page number 112. 112 chapter is 15. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So 2, shoe you can be 4, door, 6, sticks, straight. So 6 or sticks, sticks. Now 2, shoe. Here you will write 2 and here will be shoe. Now 4, door, door. If more words are there, you can write. Read this. Grandma is to grandpa as mother is to father. Spectacles are to case as pillow is to pillow cover. Now you can match. Book belongs to student. Tiger, stripes, pigeon, nest, butterfly, fly, lion. Then camel, camel hum, piano, musician, fish, fish swim. Lion, now fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. Lion is to den as pigeon is to nest. Tiger is to stripes and as camel is to hum. Book is to student as piano is to musician. Butterfly is to fly as fish is to swim. Complete it. Now look at the pictures and complete the story. So, Beena is crying. She has lost her doll. She asked Aman to help her look for it. She asked her, where have you kept your doll? She answered, I cannot remember where it is. Aman looks in the cupboard. The doll is not in the cupboard. So Aman then looks under the table. The doll is not there. Aman then looks in the room. The doll is on the bed. Beena is very happy. She says, thank you, Aman. Now we will see the question that I told you to complete in copy. So here you see some questions are there. Chapter 15, Mona and the Sparrow. Tick the correct word and complete each sentence. So you will tick here. Mona is going to stay with her grandparent and Mona has a small shelf of book. There are 2 yellow colored baby sparrow. Now you see what does Mona see inside the nest? Mona sees 2 eggs inside the nest. Now you can see what is the nest made of. The nest is made of twigs, straw and dry leaves. Think and answer. What do the chicks seem to say when they chirp and fly? The chicks seem to say, what fun when they chirp and fly. Write one sentence from the story that shows Mona is a kind girl. Let them learn to fly and then we can go. This is the line that shows Mona is a kind girl. So thank you everyone for watching this video.